Welcome to the Secret Underground Laboratory Recovery and Salvage, where Rude Mechanicals do magic. Is this any way to run a shop? Hello, I'm Bronze Age, Director of the Secret Underground Laboratory Recovery and Salvage. I'm standing in the lab's parts department, which is actually the parts corner. And today I want to try and make one of those little bitty steps towards a little bit better organization so that I can find the stuff I need when I need it and don't run out and buy something I already own. For shop storage, I love used commercial furniture. This cabinet right here originally came from some government office where it was used to hold forms, which came in the size of a sheet of legal paper. The shallow drawers make it easy to keep small parts well sorted. You can always tell what you've got, what you just ran out of. And it's easy to make these plywood partitions. And slowly but surely, I'm walking across the entire cabinet because some are not quite as well organized as the others. The task today is to clear out this small hole and build a cabinet with shallow drawers that will allow just a little bit more efficient organization. Secret Underground Laboratory is a working shop, which means this is my day job. And I have to be careful how I spend money. So on something like an organization project that I'm not going to turn around and sell to anybody, I want to keep the cost in an absolute minimum. I looked at my supply of scrap wood. I got two nice pieces of cabinet grade plywood here, a sheet of Luan underlayment, which I think will be enough to make this little small cabinet. And I'm going to design it so that it doesn't really need any hardware other than maybe a few nails and a little bit of glue to hold it together. This piece of Baltic birch plywood is the cutout for a kitchen sink. One of the real advantages of using a radial arm saw for the stacked dado head cutter is that you can see where you're cutting, you can see your layout lines, and you don't have to put everything down in a mirror image and then turn it over to make the cut. chest part of the chest of drawers is finished, and now we move on to the drawers. The drawers are the original Poor Boys Christmas. The drawer face is this pre-primed fascia board. Comes perfectly square, perfectly straight, and already pre-primed with this lovely blue color, so don't need to paint it. The bottom is the Luan underlayment. Stuff's about, I don't know, 4.5 millimeters thick, 3/16, something like that. But they slide into these grooves, 1/4-inch grooves, that I cut in the side panels. The sides on the back are just pieces that I've ripped out of construction grade 2x4 studs. And that makes a drawer like this. There's a butt joint at the back. The bottom is held on with glue and wire nails all the way around. And one small sort of a pocket nail from the front end to the side there, which will hold everything in place until the glue sets. I'm going to go find some drawer pulls for it. Finishing the rest of the drawers, get it all together, and this will be done. Alright, it's finished and ready to be put in place. The drawer pulls are made from pieces of the same blue pre-primed trim. In this case, a fascia board with a groove in it, and the groove forms the finger hole. So it pulls open nice and easy. And the best part is, I've actually got room for expansion. This kind of drawer guide, very versatile for shallow, flat bottom, shallow drawers. Lightweight. There's not going to be a lot of heavy stuff in here, but you want to be able to get into them and see exactly what's in them without it being all jumbled up. This is the last welding supply cabinet. I made this small drawer for torch tips and stuff like that, and the guides hang off this shelf with the groove cut in the side like that. Makes for a very efficient use of space. Router tables also come with lots of small pieces. So I made this little small drawer down here to keep it all convenient. This drawer has the guides on the inside. Well, I'm Bronze Age for the Secret Underground Laboratory Recovery and Salvage, and Rui Domo and I both thank you for watching this video. We do appreciate it very much. We'd like it very much if you would like and subscribe. Maybe even share it, tell all your friends, tell your family, anybody you see walking down the street. So, until our next video, thank you again.